Hi, I'm Ken Parsley. I'm the product manager for the UV-MP line of printers at Mutoh America. Today we're going to talk about the XpertJet 461UF, which is going to be replacing our ValueJet 426UF. There have been a lot of changes. This machine has been almost completely reworked. We'll start with inside here, the cover, much bigger, much larger area, bigger access area to get at the table. It has a brand new head specifically made for UV ink. It also has a brand new lamp which features Mutoh's new local dimming control technology, which allows us to print both glossy and matte varnish at the same time. We also, new for us, we have a larger printable area. The old machine was 12.6 by 18.6. This one is 13 by 19. The table as it sits right now has the same 2 3/4 inch depth possible. However, all I got to do is remove these 2 screws and find the head, and now we have 5.9 inches possible. We also have an optional vacuum table that we can install in place of the other table. So a lot of options and a lot more versatile than it was. Has upgraded maintenance features like a removable glass plate protecting UV lamp, a foam filter to filter dust from the UV lamp, and my favorite is external waste container, where the old unit had it internally, and if there were any issues, made it very difficult. So some of the things do on this is actually a raised varnish print. It's got some texture to it here, and it's got some shiny varnish on it. You can do this, you could do ADA Braille is a new application that we are touting. One of my favorites is Second Surface Acrylic. Does a beautiful job on that. And again, the possibilities are endless. But this machine will do, well, just about anything you can imagine, to be honest with you. It's really only limited by the imagination of the people operating it. Another nice feature which I really like, on the old machine, all we had was a knob like this to raise and lower the table. But now, I have another option. I can now use this thing to lower the table much faster. And this crank is going to come standard with the printer, as well as this sticky mat, which is sticky on both sides, to help keep various parts and media and whatever you're printing on in place. This machine will take either UH21 hard ink or US11 flexible ink. 220 cartridges only. Well, thank you for learning about the XpertJet 461UF. It's coming very soon to a dealer near you. If you want more information, please visit www.mutoh.com. Thanks a lot, guys.